Hello there, today I show you my wedding photography printing, how to use it and custom it, and show you some extra tricks. This is the previously apply some result. You can change everything, color, replace original background, like your photo background color replace in watercolor painting, and paper added. You can remove the paper and transparent very easily. There is the show I have original photo, and this is the our effect photo. See another looking. First open your photo in Photoshop, then focus point select, brushing area, then apply the script. This is the result, and you can custom everything. Every layer are separate, do not need any skill, and also is best for puppy painting or any type of portrait painting. See the quality is very professional, and see the mock-up looking. Okay, now I go to my download file. There is show brush file, help file, pattern file, and our this is the script file, action file. So load, now you can read the help file. There is the how to use and video link and the size, and our supporting information include there, and written option there, how to use, and there is the spelling, brush, name of new layer. Okay, first load brush, select and double click is loaded your brush Photoshop automatically, or you can load manually. Go window and the brush option, click. Now go the option on the side, input brush, and find out my download file, and select brush file and load button, click. Now brush is loaded. Go window and the pattern option, click. Now pattern option show, click this option, the more option, input pattern, and go my download file and find out the pattern file, select and load button, click. Now pattern is loaded. Go window and action option, click. Now action plate maybe show the right side, I have set it left side for my better understanding purpose, and go this option and load button, click, and I find out my action in download file, select and load button, click. Now it's loaded. This is the folder and this is the script. Now I have open a photo. You can use any size of photo, but better quality photo and high resolution image is support very easily. Okay, first I open this photo, and this photo is not enough space the top, because see the result. If you want to show up the result in top side more, then I need to some space, or you can use this photo, use regular photo, that is your choice. Just select the crop tool, and I have make the little bigger, or if you think need any side of area, you can make it bigger. Then I have the move tool, select, and now you want to need select the brush tool and color picker, pick the color, and normal way, just opacity maybe 100% must be, and you remove the hard line, just normal way, do not need any expertness or color, any color match the color. Just control click the picker, color picker, or manually pick the color and brush, and outside just normal way brush. Okay, and image size, you can use any size of image, but my time saving purpose I have used that 3500 pixel. This is the standard classic size. You can use 300 pixel or 2500 pixel. I have select the quick selection tool. You can use the pen tool and brush tool. If you use the pen tool, you must be delete the part, then apply the script. Okay, a quick selection tool is shortcut way. Quick selection tool, there is show select subject button, and select subject button, click. Now is select your photo, focusing point. See, And now I have created a new layer, and new layer name, change it brush. BRUSS, semi spelling, do not include any other character, space, hyphen, comma, or other character, lowercase, uppercase, mix up character, only lowercase. And paint bucket tool, and select any light color and fill up the color. Now is fill up, and quick selection tool, our selection mode is on. If the selection mode is on, you play the script not working properly, you need to deselect first, selection and deselect. Okay, now if you want to sum of area mistake, you can work it manually. Select the brush tool and sub brush tool in default brush, and you can brush any area, which area, make sure you brush the brush layer, and you have select the brush layer. Now you can brush area, see, okay, perfect. Just brush normal way, there is no need to experience. Okay, I think is perfect, and no need to more. And also you can brush others area, which area need to perfectly crop. Okay, now I think it's done, and select the brush layer, and make sure your photo is RGB color mode firstly. Okay, select and hit the play button. Now start working. Depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. I have included some different effect, and I show you the combination and customization and how to make it PNG. Just wait a minute, it's working, and it's need time because of I have used high resolution image. Okay, hello, the action is done. Now we can custom, there is more layer and view. This is the finishing stop result message. See, the quality is soft focusing and soft lighting, and this is the your photo, and I show you how to custom it. This is the your photo, and background is show. So this is the marks point, and select the marks. If you want to remove some of area, select marks and top color black. Now you can brush, see, and some of area now remove very easily, and you can faded style include, or you can use opacity less and brush some of area. If you think that there is a hard looking show, so you can brush the area, just normally you can brush area. Okay, and this is the paper option. If you do not show the digital process, we have make the photo in digital painting effect, include this photo. If you want to your real photo, there is the real photo also include, so you can just pick this one, and your real, and uncheck this one, your real photo is viewed. But I prefer this one. This is the painting looking, digital painting looking, is very easy to use digital painting. I have include, and this is the paper. You can hide the paper if not needed. So this is the looking, and you can include the others, our style. You can see it, just view it, and this is the our color replacement option. Also you can move it, control T or transform option, there select this option, and you can move the color replacement any of area, see, and okay, now I just hide this. I do not need this brushy art style now. And there is another one, so this is the spark one, the spark is there. Okay, and this is the dropping style, another, this is extra, see, and you can select the marks option folder, and brush sum of area. If you think you can remove the sum of area very easily. see. Okay, and you can list the color, soft color needed. See the soft color, just opacity minus. This is the adjustment, double click, and photo adjustment, the replace photo color adjustment. See, I think the default color setting is best. Okay, this is the photo replace. You can select show transform tool, and you can move it. See the color, you can move very easily, and you can scale it. See, okay, now I have go the folder on brush, brush art, backward, show transform odd, and use another brushing, and of this one there is another looking show. You can use this one, the dual on, or you can use another one, this one, and hide this one. See, there is the another looking, or dual common looking, and another one. See the looking. And if you want to remove some of area, you just view and marks option, select, and list the opacity and brush. See, is very easy. Just brush and it's removed, and you can change the background very easily. Another, we have include some of color. See, if you use this color or change this color, double click this option and change anytime any of color, you can replace very easily. Select and click the other color replace, but I do not need, I like to this one, and I have include the paper on. See the paper looking, now it's looking great. If you want to the transparent PNG, so watch it. Just firstly uncheck the paper and uncheck all background. So background on, color on is on, off it, and background copy is off, and background is off. Now is transparent photo, background transparent, and you can make very easily PNG transparent. File export and quick export option, you can save it PNG very easily and quick export as PNG. Okay, now I show you another photo, and see it how it's worked, the another photo, and how need to custom. This is the height photo, but I need to make it small, and I need to space in left or right. Okay, and make sure your photo is a lock background layer. Background layer is background layer lock icon show. Sometimes some photo look like PNG transparent or layer 0 format, that is not accept the action. You need to fix it. Right button click and fit an image. Okay, and a quick selection tool, select subject button. Now is selecting, and create a new layer, brush type, and fill up any of color, deselect, and now you just hit the script, but okay, size is perfect, and this is the play and start working. And our of flash sale is going on. You can visit our on site. You can download this file in this flash section, photoshopaction.net. This is our all file art discount now available in limited time. You can visit the site and download. Also, you can download our free file in free section. See the free, all our new file just upload today. You can download more of free file. See, there is a more resource, and bundle option is there. You can bundle, discount price is available in flash sale section. You can check out the flash sale section, and same product you can download our store, Creative Market, MRI Studio, and MRI Cocoon. Okay, thanks for see this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of help, we can send a message our profile and our Facebook fan page, and we support our customer live chat and live Anydex support. So join our, if you think you need to support, join our Anydex support.